Today we are reviewing the WORKPRO. This is the wired paint sprayer. So we have the paint already in here. We got it set up. So pretty simple. So if you guys are outside away from an outlet, you get decent amount of power cable length, but get yourself a power station like this and you can simply use this to power your paint sprayer. So now we're going to actually test it out and see how this works. So at first it's going to get the air out of the lines. Now keep in mind there's different nozzles, so you can adjust the nozzles as well as this on here. So you see how we adjust it. Now it's doing like this. And if we adjust it over this way, you see how it's doing like kind of like a circle now. And it actually keeps the paint away from this pretty good. So it's actually pretty impressive. So overall, it's working very well. I'm gonna show you guys here the watts that it's taking. That way you guys have an idea if you want to use it, you know, off grid, as we call it here. It's just the camera and the LEDs, but we'll take a look and see. All right, so we're looking at about 500 watts and under. So you want a power station that can handle, I would say probably at least 750 watts. Just to be safe. Probably would be fine with a 500 watt, but you know, just to be safe, maybe 750. But yeah, it works good. No problems with it, no complaints. I do want to adjust this better. There's other nozzles as well that you guys can use. It does kind of spit the paint out, depends on how you use it. It does seem like the circle did better, but it does kind of spit the paint out. You'll have to play with the different nozzle ends that they have. So I'm still playing with the nozzles just to see at different positions. But yeah, it works.